Met a girl, thought she was my first time. Met a This is a lovely Saturday night. Got some rain going, got some like lightning. There was a little bit of thunder earlier. But hey, got a battery for the bike now, so you know we are all good. Doo-doo. Doo-doo. So, on a quick note, just want to say thank you, Mom, for, you know, buying me my battery. And also, thank you for being my GPS, because, yeah, I GPS everything. Like, I can't even go to town without GPSing. But yeah, so, you know, just enjoying the lightning right now. How fun would that be to go storm chasing on a motorcycle? Just saying. That is awesome. Oh, I gotta pee. I've got to pee. Oh, that was beautiful. I know I haven't been talking much on this one because I'm just kind of enjoying all this lightning, and admiring it very much. But yeah, let me know if you like these little night rides, and if you like the idea of thunderstorm riding, or let me know that you don't like them. I guess either way works. Some good strikes going on over there. I'm gonna roll my sleeves down a little bit. Carry my sleeves up. Oh, motionless and white. I'm okay with this. Oh, hey, look, I am. Wind is